On this job site, we were contracted to line bore the pinholes on a 150-ton barge-mounted excavator. The excavator was situated at the local harbour, to which we dispatched all of our line boring, welding, gouging equipment. There were other structural repairs performed upon the mainframe of the excavator, and then once this was finished, the holes were welded up and line bored back to original specification. Upon final boring, the hole size was checked with internal micrometer in accordance with manufacturer's specified clearance to the new pins being supplied by the customer.